Hello YouTube, today I'll be teaching you what SMT is. We'll be talking about two key indices, NQ and ES. Now let's try and comprehend what a bullish SMT is. A bullish SMT is when one indice makes a lower low and the other indice makes a higher low. This means that one of the indices is stronger and the other indice is weaker because one takes the low and the other doesn't take the low. We can expect to look for longs when this happens. Now, let's try and understand what a bearish SMT is. A bearish SMT is when one indice makes a higher high and the other indice makes a lower high. When this happens, we can expect price to go lower. Now, let me show you how it's done in the charts. So, we have NQ and we have ES. So looking at the charts, we can see that NQ goes lower on the lows and ES goes higher on the lows. What does that mean? That means that we could expect price to go higher. What we can also do is, as we expect price to go higher, we can set our stop loss at the low of this SMT. Meaning, let's say we were to go in here, we can set our stop loss here. But we normally like to trade the one that's further from the low so we could have more room to the stop loss. But for this scenario, I'm going to target these highs. So let's do that. Let's see what happens. Let's set our stop loss here, and let's set our take profit at these highs. So you see, that's what a bullish SMT is. Now, let's look at an example of a bearish SMT. So a bearish SMT is when the highs on one indice goes higher and on the other indice it goes lower. Just so you guys know, it's not only limited to indices, but it can also be applied to Forex and crypto. So let's do the same thing. Let's go in sells. Let's set our stop loss at the SMT highs. And let's target the equilibrium of this range. Let's see what happens. So you can see we hit the equilibrium of this range here. So this is how you could use SMT effectively. Just so you guys know, SMT is something you should be using as a confluence because there are times when an SMT gets invalidated. It's just a very high probability chance that it will go in the direction that SMT is saying it's going to go. What the SMT is a crack in the institutional algorithm. NQ and ES are meant to be aligned, but sometimes they aren't aligned. And when this happens, we're able to predict where price will head. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, join Liquidity Lab LLC down in the description, follow me on Instagram, and join my community server. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.